What's up, guys? It's Christian from Christian's Reviews All, and today we're going to be doing a comparison. Alright, now we're going to get unboxing, so enjoy the fast forward. Okay, now that's just messed up. Alright. Alright, this is kind of getting fun, so watch this mega one get unboxed. Okay. Is this where the mag goes? 'Cause that's huge. As you guys can see, the $4 one comes with a tiny gun and 2 bullets. As you guys can see, the $10 one, it comes with a medium gun and 3 bullets. As you guys can see, the $18 one comes with a bigger gun and 6 bullets and different attachments, what I'm going to put together right now. Alright, I'm going to start loading. And now, better. Alright, now I'm done. I just need to get the $4 one, and it also comes with the size, so you don't have to put them in your pocket. This one, this $10 one, let's see, we put it in there, we put it in there, and we put it in there. So pretty much, yeah, we're ready. Alright, you guys, we're gonna be doing some knockover videos, and so first up, the $4 one, and I'm gonna be using all the guns. Okay, this dude is not. Alright, you guys, I missed the first round, so on to the second round. Okay, I shoot him in the front now. Yeah, look at me. Oh. Alright, you guys, the $4 one didn't work, so the $10 has to work. I mean, it should shoot one shot and then it should knock down. Alright, I'm gonna get on to it. Okay, that kind of failed. Okay, I was hoping to knock it down. And I did it Alright, you guys, I did it the first round. And the $10 really works good. Only used 2 bullets and that's it. Okay, so now it's time for the $18 one to work. Okay, I hope it only shoots one shot and this thing is down. Alright. What the heck? Why the heck would it do that? Finally! Okay, it only takes 2 shots like the $10 one, so. Alright, these are my final thoughts. The $4 one was powerful, even though it missed, and let's see, the $10 one pretty much is powerful, almost powerful than the $18 one, and the $18 one was very, very powerful, and it's very good. But the only problems you will have is the jam part. So okay, I'm gonna be doing a giveaway for the $4 and the $10 one, and well, I'm gonna be choosing at 100 subscribers, and we'll pick 2 winners. In order to enter, please like and subscribe, and comment down below which one do you want and why do you want it. I would like to give a round of applause for my assistant, and catch you guys on the next one. Bye.